कैसी मुलाकात है, जैसे सदियों से तुम मेरी जान हो.
We were in MBA together, so we got assigned our study group. Our first 3 months of college were online. We all were on Zoom, and that's when we all met each other. Like, we actually spent a lot of our days on Zoom calls with each other initially. We used to work till 4 a.m. on Zoom calls. We used to have classes since 9 a.m. So most of the time, most of our days used to be on Zoom calls, mostly with each other. Initially, he was a very nice guy to talk to. It was very easy to talk to him. Even while we were working, we used to play songs on Zoom call and just like work together. We met 3 months later on campus.
Like, I was on the 3rd floor of the building, so she was entering to the building, towards the building. That's the first time she saw me. So she waved at me, I just waved back.
तेरी गली से गुजरा तो जाना मैंने कि तू बसी है बस ख्यालों में मेरे.
So that was the first instance that we just saw each other.
We had like already broken the ice long back, 3 months talking to each other online. This so happened organically over a month of spending, I don't know, 20 out of 24 hours together.
मैंने तेरी बातें सुनी है.
I texted my friend while we were on the first call. There's a cute girl in my class, in my study group. That was the first impression I had of her.
पड़ी है कहीं आसमां में रंग है कहाँ.
When we were, it was just us working late or like walking around or just talking. It was just always easy. It never really felt awkward.
ढूंढता मैं उसका रास्ता, कुछ तो है दिल का वास्ता, हवाओं ने भी मुझसे है कहा.
We started off those walks. So eventually on one of those walks, we were just talking about all the things that, how we think about us, how we think about the family, how we think about what we want to do in the future. So eventually on one of those walks, I mustered up the courage that I'm feeling this, that I think I'm kind of drawn to you, and so it's just growing into something that makes me want to spend more time with you.
I was not expecting that, frankly, because I was not like thinking about that as such a lot. I was a little awkward. I was like, okay, now what do I say? So I just like almost ended the conversation and went back. It was a very awkward couple weeks, I think, after that, because we anyway had to do work together, so we had to see each other. Actually, I think I realized like because it was awkward, we were like spending less time together, and I realized I don't want to do that. I really do like spending time with you. That was like something I felt like I don't want to miss out on. We were the last ones to realize, because our friends were like, we already knew this was gonna happen, and we were like, we didn't.
सुनी है कहीं मैंने तेरी सांसें पढ़ी है, जड़ी है पड़ी है कहीं आसमां में रंग है कहाँ. बदला हुआ है ये समा, फिजाएं मुझे ले चली वहाँ, वो रहती जहाँ. ढूंढता मैं उसका रास्ता, कुछ तो है दिल का वास्ता, हवाओं ने भी मुझसे है कहा, ले उसका पता.
Yeah, a lot of people were actually asking us that question, are you guys together? Are you guys dating? And at that point we didn't. I mean, we didn't think about it. We never discussed about it. Probably it just also got implanted from, that yeah, maybe it could go somewhere.
So parents were coming for graduation. So both our parents and then we were like really awkward because our friends were also teasing us by the time like everyone knew. So all 5 of us, like we thought, ideally we would have been together, our parents would have been together because we were that close. But we were just like separated. We were just so awkward. We didn't even like see each other till the end.
For her, it was a lot of things, but she was very caring for me. If I'm not feeling well, so she gets very strict when I'm not doing well. She'll become the principal at that point then. That you cannot do this. I want you to get better.
मेरी किताब के हर पन्नों पे नाम तेरा है.
तू ही सुकून की शाम, तू ही हर सवेरा है.
तेरे सिवा कुछ इश्क नहीं और तेरे बिना कुछ भाए ना.
तेरे बगैर ये दिल कहता है अब तो रहा भी जाए ना. सोनिए तू बाहों में लेके मुझे प्यार कर.
रांझना तू राहों पे मेरे साथ चल.
ओ सोनिए तू बाहों में लेके मुझे प्यार कर.
रांझना तू
I think the candidness that they share, the friendship that they share, I think that's the biggest thing that anyone can take out from their relationship.
I think I'm most excited about the cocktail event because that's one thing which I negotiated for, that I want a place which plays music after 12 o'clock also because I want to dance. I and my school friends, we've always been into that zone that wherever we are at a wedding, we're at a party like that, we'll play the most cliche songs, all the ones with the hook steps, and we'll dance.
पुलकिता और मैंने एक टॉफी के रैपर से लेके शादी का साल तक शेयर किया है. And I'm so happy that you found Rachit because we love Rachit a lot. Thank you so much Rachit for bringing a smile on our face every day.
जब से मैं छोटी थी मेरे को एक ही चीज़ की जिद थी कि जो पुलकिता दीदी करेगी वो ही मैं करूँगी. पुलकिता दीदी कैप्सिकम खाती है तो ऐना भी कैप्सिकम खाएगी. तब से लेके अब तक in one way or the other you truly been an inspiration for me. Love you guys so much and I wish you the best of things. I'm so happy to see you guys.
I'm really excited about the cocktail because there's one night where there's nothing, no rituals, nothing. Everybody's partying, all your close friends, your sisters and brothers, everyone's like there and you're just dancing and enjoying, which I'm really looking forward to.
I think the best part was dancing with him, whether it was during a performance, after that with the whole, so much fun.
I was just so much love.
for everyone. Like no matter who, no matter how much, you know, they would do in turn for him. He was just always like, you know, very thoughtfully helpful to every person. Like that's also like, you know, gives you a comfort about like, okay, you know, this is a person who will always be there for anyone around him.
फिर वो तेरे पास आएगी एंड वो जो मतलब सब तुझे ही करना है.
We also resonated on the fact that small things matter. So it's always been like that, doing the smallest things for each other, over the time understanding what the other person wants. We've realized the fact that there's something which we don't know we want, but the other person does it.
मेकअप वालों को शॉर्ट्स का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा आज. ठीक है, आ जाओ.
हीरिए तेरा राजा है खड़ा, आजा वे उड़ ले संजहां. हीरिए तेरा राजा है खड़ा, आजा वे उड़ ले संजहां.
Whenever we would tell people, when we actually told people when we are dating, and they'd be like, with a
I
poker
don't think
face,
we can say that.
you don't say. We know what's going on.
Yeah,
So no one was ever surprised. People would always ask, are these guys together?
And they reacted as if like, oh, like don't bullshit. We already knew this was gonna happen.
Oh, for me, it was how we both view the family together.
Yeah.
Like, how family oriented are we? We want to take up or we want to do something that keeps us in Delhi near to our parents and grandparents. How we value them, how we merge well into them. That's been a very important factor for both of us. And somehow it has aligned since the start.
When we got our placements from college, so my job was in Delhi. Even he wanted to be in Delhi, but his initial offer was Bangalore. That was like a brief period where he was really trying to like switch his office. He was like trying to reason with the company ki meko Delhi de do. But we initially for a brief phase we were like, okay, we might have to like go different places, and that would have been a big change because ISB we were like together 20 hours a day. Actually he got his office changed.
दिखे मुझे सिर्फ तू, ये जो मेरा जहां है, रहता यहाँ तू ही क्यों. तू मेरा हो रहा है, कैसे करूँ मैं यकीन. पहले कभी किसी को चाहा नहीं मैंने यूं. काहे कर से ये दो नैना, दिन कटे ना बीते रहना. सावरे सावरे सावरे, काहे कर से ये दो नैना, चाहे बनके तेरा रहना. सावरे सावरे सावरे.
नैना ये बावरे पुकारे तुझे सावरे, ना तेरे बिना जीना सजना हो.
The time over the 2 years in Delhi itself, after we graduated, everything was just very organic. It was just spending time together whenever we had the chance.
तुझे सावरे हाँ तुझे संग संग रखना. नैना ये बावरे पुकारे तुझे सावरे, ना तेरे बिना जीना सजना.
काहे कर से ये दो नैना, दिन कटे ना बीते रहना. सावरे सावरे सावरे, काहे कर से ये दो नैना, चाहे बनके तेरा रहना. सावरे सावरे सावरे.
about going out of your way for doing, you know, helping people and just like being there is, I think, something like is very similar to my dad. Like even he does it a lot. Like he'll do everything for everyone and like never let it show. So I think that is very similar.
Genuinely don't. The color red is for Pulkita and blue is for Rachit. So if you think, we'll ask you a question. हम आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे. अगर आपको लगता है कि उसका सही जवाब रचित है, तो ब्लू फ्लैग ऊपर जाएगा. और अगर आपको लगता है उसका सही जवाब पुलकिता है, तो रेड फ्लैग ऊपर जाएगा.
और एंड में हम राइडर ग्रुप से भी पूछ ही लेंगे कि एक्चुअल आंसर क्या है.
करेक्ट. सो जिससे कि हमको वेरिफिकेशन भी मिल जाएगी और इन्फॉर्मेशन भी मिल जाएगी.
He is always calm. He will never get angry, and I get angry very easily. Like not at him or like amongst us, but in general on things that people. So in that sense, he's much more calm than I am.
पुलकिता और रचित में सबसे ज़्यादा गुस्सा किसे आता है? पुलकिता और आप में से ज़्यादा गुस्सा किसको आता है? पुलकिता. Good answer, folks. Well done, team. Well done. Well done.
पुलकिता और रचित में जब झगड़ा हो जाता है, तो सबसे पहले सॉरी कौन बोलता है?
I am
दोनों है, बैलेंस.
तो नेक्स्ट सवाल है कि श्रृंगार करने में ज़्यादा टाइम कौन लगाता है?
Who is more likely to drop their phone in the toilet?
मूवी देखते वक्त पहले किसकी आंख लगेगी?
Game was supposed to be let's get to know the groom and the bride better. तुमको ये बताना चाहिए ना roast of Pulkita लेकर.
Two pieces of a puzzle that fit completely right, and both of them are cracked. Rachit is a demo of a person. I don't think she could have found a better person than him. Being very down to earth. There is no show-offy sort of a thing. That's the best part. I extremely adore that about them.
बिंदिया तेरी मैं रख दूं तराजू पे, दूजी और सारे 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 तारे रख दूं चाहे. बिंदिया तेरी यूं झिलमिल करेगी, तारों को भी शर्म वरम कसम कसम से आ जाए. मुझसे मांगे जुगनू भी तेरा पता रे, तुझको ताके ऐसे मुड़ मुड़ के लगवा लूं मैं दिल पे ताले ताले. तुझको छिपा के यहाँ सबसे मेरी जान लगवा लूं मैं दिल पे ताले ताले. तुझको छिपा के यहाँ सबसे मेरी जान रहना मेरी तू है. तेरी ये बालियां चलने को तेरे पीछे आगे है, झूले जो तुझे मेरी हथेलियां खुद पे है बड़ा इतरार. मुझसे मांगे जुगनू भी तेरा पता रे, तुझको ताके ऐसे मुड़ मुड़ के लगवा लूं मैं दिल पे ताले ताले. तुझको छिपा के यहाँ सबसे मेरी जान लगवा लूं मैं दिल पे ताले ताले. तुझको छिपा के यहाँ सबसे मेरी जान रहना मेरी तू है. लिख दूं मैं चिट्ठियाँ उस चांद को, दिल अपना ना यूं जलाए. जिस दिन से देखा है तुमको उस चांद ने, चुप सा है बेचारा वो. लगवा लूं मैं दिल पे ताले ताले. ले तुझको छिपा के यहाँ सबसे मेरी जान रे लगवा लूं मैं दिल पे ताले ताले तुझको छिपा के यहाँ सबसे मेरी जान रे रहना मेरी तू
So I remember very clearly, I called my cousin brother, just randomly off the top of my head, I told him that, I'm thinking that probably I want to propose to her. Turkey for some reason popped up on my Insta feed. And I was looking at Cappadocia where they have those hot air balloons in the air.
पुलकिता अंदर है?
घोड़ा गाड़ी में
गया अंदर.
He was trying to be very subtle about it, but I realized later because he was really forcing me to buy a white dress, and my mom has a boutique, so she makes most of my clothes. She was like, okay, if you can't find us, like, auntie to make it.
मैं पूछ रहा था कि टाइम कितना लगेगा and outside I was talking to her sister, her cousin who knew about the proposal, to my cousin who knew about the proposal, taking aesthetic inputs that guys this has happened, what do I do now?
इसको घड़ी वाला एक्शन नहीं करना क्या बोला
घड़ी लाया ही नहीं ना एक तो मुसीबत.
So I went upstairs while she was getting ready and I had planned out my own outfit. She was wearing a white. I planned that I'll also wear something white on top.
Abhi to I'm stressed because I feel like we're getting late. He came down, he took me upstairs, and the moment I saw it, it was like, this is like so beautiful. I did not expect this.
And I thought we'll take a few seconds to start, but then it just so happened that she was also in the moment, I was also in the moment.
And then he had, written something he was reading out. A few seconds into he started reading that.
She started crying a little bit, she was smiling a lot. Went down on one knee and proposed to her and got her, hugged her, and then we kissed, and I thought that was it then.
Even I had, written something that I wanted to give to him. When I read it out, I couldn't. I was crying, so I just couldn't read. So I was like, hey, read it yourself. But he had no idea that I had a ring for him. So at least like that was a complete surprise.
And then by the time I finished reading it, she was already down on her knee. Then she put the ring on my finger, and then we were just, both of us were on our knees and hugging each other for I think a minute or two. So I was very mesmerized. I was very happy, taken aback, got a little teary-eyed.
Now you're dressed in white and you're walking towards me. I can't believe my eyes. I'm staring at the rest of my life. I'm a mess inside 'cause we've come so far, and after all this time I finally get to call you my wife. Two words keep playing in my head. Lucky me, I get to marry my best friend. You're my best friend.
And then we called our parents.
And then we just broke the news out to them. Then we started getting bombarded with calls.
Yeah.
तस्मै देवाय विशाविधेम ॐ प्रजापतेन त्वदेतानिन्युः विश्वा जातानि परिता बभूव।
कह रहा हूँ लास्ट चांस है, भागना है तो अभी भाग सकते हैं, शादी करने के इसके बाद कोई नहीं पूछेगा।
क्या बोल रहा है यार? पार्किंग की तरफ
चलो।
Excited.
बिल्कुल
बिना शादी में तो बढ़िया है यार, एक भाई भी नहीं बनती।
He's the sweetest person. He'll always be there for you. He'll show up. He'll show up. And you know, he doesn't think twice. He wears his heart on his sleeve.
Dropping down the bass line, the bass line, dropping. Here we go now. Feel heavy into your arms.
गाना गा के सुना पूरा एटलीस्ट गला खराब है तो फिर 10 पुशअप्स करते हम गाएंगे तेरे साथ तो गाती 10 पुशअप्स करते
हमारे साथ बमरा ही फॉलो एक बार
डांस किया, उसने इतना सारा डांस किया, तुम्हें पता है कितनी सरप्राइजिंग।
I never expected.
There are 5 chunnis in front of me. They will drop one by one. Then I'll walk with mom dad till the aisle. आयल के ऊपर I'll go अकेले.
ठीक है.
उसके लिए अलग गाना है. उसी गाने पे वरमाला होनी है. तो मैं आपको बीट बता देती हूँ. This part पे we are handed the वरमालास. And the moment the beat drops, that's when we do the वरमाला. और तेरा डोलन. हाँ.
मतलब सब कुछ would be entirely seamless only, मतलब ऐसा रुकेगा नहीं ना?
नहीं, हाँ, no stopping in the middle. उसके बाद दूसरा गाना बजेगा जो वरमाला के लिए है. तो I'll just go. नहीं, एक ही गाना है. तो the moment I reach here, you play the next song. I'll start walking and उसी गाने पे वरमाला हो जाएगी. ठीक है? So that and जब वरमाला हो जाएगी तो वो गाना बजने देना नॉर्मल. ठीक है? पहले गाने का ऐसा कोई एंड नहीं है. Whenever I come here, just switch to the second song. मेरे को वापस भी नहीं मारेगा ये।
मैं वो फेस को सीधा
लेंगे थोड़ा सा।
I have never counted actually. We just very randomly, organically became friends. Apparently, actually, that's a story. We both are girls, but we call each other bhai because we are just like twin brothers. Delivered by the same gynae in the same hospital. We have the same, almost like similar eye number. We go to the same optician. We are Sharmas. And we used to sit together and say the same things all the same time. So it's like too many similar things, like carbon copy of each other.
सोड़ा होया दिल भी रूह भी तू ही हुण मेरा सितारा हाँ तेरे उत्ते अंबरा विवारा हाँ तेरे नाल नाल गुजारा दिन सारा फिरे धड़कन हुण तपदी फिरे नैना च तेरे जो खुद नू वेखिया सांसें हुण नचदी फिरे धड़कन हुण तपदी फिरे नैना च तेरे जो खुद नू वेखिया।
I'm really looking forward to the Varmala ceremony. Because I think that's one moment where I feel I'm actually for the first time gonna cry.
माही मेरा सांसें हुण नचदी फिरे धड़कन हुण तपदी फिरे नैना च तेरे जो खुद नू वेखिया सांसें हुण नचदी फिरे धड़कन हुण तपदी फिरे नैना च तेरे जो खुद नू वेखिया।
होती है ना, बहुत होती है। इकट्ठे में डाल लो, डाल लो। नहीं बोलना यार, मैंने तो अरे आंटी नहीं बोलना यार। क्या बोलूं? मासी बोल यार। मासी बोल।
अमन इधर आ जा अमन।
तू दूर भाग में भाई।
अभी तेरा रास्ता बना रहा हूँ।
ये ले।
यार what is this?
तेरे पे नजर है।
अरे दे दो यार।
हम जीतेंगे यार ऑब्वियसली
यार इतनी आसानी से थोड़ी देंगे, देना तो है, थोड़ा मेहनत तो कराएंगे नहीं।
और क्या ऐसे थोड़ी ना यार। हमारा कट क्या है?
हमारा हाथ पकड़ो ये कैच नहीं कर पाएंगे।
पहले हमारा कट क्या है? हमारी परसेंटेज यार अब तो छोड़।
कटिंग करिए उसने कैसे चढ़ाया इन्होंने। बढ़िया है। पहले वो देख
और वापस चुरा लेंगे यार। देखो मामू से प्रैक्टिस कर लेनी चाहिए पहले।
बबलू मामा was like किस तो जूते लो।
मैं मुंडे दी पुआ।
वीडियो।
But I'm also looking forward to like the actual wedding part of, not the wedding function, but like just the wedding part, because like I don't know how it will feel. Like right now it's just, you know, something we have to do and get done with, but I'm really like looking forward to how that feeling would be of, but I'm really like, I want to like, I'm looking forward to that feeling of realizing, okay, now we're actually married.
ओम साधु भवान आस्ताम अर्चिष्यामो भवन्तम। आपके बचपन से जब बच्चा बिल्कुल पैदा होता है।
I think it's like really looking at someone and realizing that, you know, that someone you do anything for, and you don't need to change who you are even for a second. Like you don't need to think before saying. You can just be how you are and like they've been in your life forever.
ये दिन सच सा ना मुझको लगे हैं, हो तुम यहाँ पास में काफी लगे हैं, काफी लगे। हम जब से मिले थे है मांगा यही, तू और मैं हो साथ में ही, कायनात से मांगा मिल गया वही, मिल गया तो ही, मिल गया वही, मिल गया तो ही।
स्वर की पाए
रो न रहा हूँ है खुशियों के आंसू सभी,
स्वाहा
दुआओं में मांगू हाँ, संभल गया मैं हुई मेहरबानी तेरी, तुमको नजर में छुपा लूँ हाँ। जब से मिले थे है मांगा यही, तू और मैं हो साथ में ही।
जवानी तो ऐसे कट जाती है, कभी स्विट्जरलैंड चले गए, कभी कश्मीर चले गए, कट जाती है। बस जितना मर्जी उतना काम करा लो।
I think the first time I met her, she felt like home to me. And if she can make me feel that way, I can't even imagine what she makes my brother feel.
आदत लगी है अब मुझे, मिल जाए तो मैं तुझे कभी जाने न दूँ खुद से दूर। तू नूर है या कोई
पहले तीन आपके वो
रब दे रहा जो दिल के जरिए हमें, अब क्या शिकायत, लम्हे जो गुम थे सब दे रहा वो दिल के जरिए हमें।
अब सिलसिले होते हैं तुझसे शुरू,
प्रजापती द्वा
तेरी कसम मुझे होने न दो खुद से दूर।
शरद शतम प्रब्रवाम शरद शतम भद्रम कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवा भद्रम पश्येत्। भद्रम पश्येमां शरजता
या चाहतों का है सुरूर।
Married life is fun. Welcome to the club.
अब आजा भाई, नहीं तो 4 मंत्र और पढ़ ले।
After the fairas are done and we take the blessings of our elders and all, probably that in that moment that yes, we are a married couple now and we are together, probably holding hands at that time, yeah. But that sigh of, you know, yeah, we did it. All these years, all the planning,
the weekends of only doing this,
everything,
running
and
around.
now yes, we are a married couple.
Yeah.
That moment would be the exact moment.
चंदा भी लगता कुछ अलग आज है,
तुमसे मोहब्बत कहीं दोबारा तो नहीं हो रही, तुमसे मोहब्बत कहीं दोबारा तो नहीं हो रही।
Coming home and her being there after a stressful day at work or after a tiring day or anything, just having the thought that when I enter the house, when I go through that door, she's going to be there inside. All I need is one hug or just like looking at her and taking all the worries away.
तुमसे मोहब्बत कहीं दोबारा तो नहीं हो मेरी आशिकी कहीं आवारा तो नहीं हो रही।
Yeah, I think the first time I met her, she felt like home to me. And if she can make me feel that way, I can't even imagine what she makes my brother feel.
Classic Lavi. Happy tears. Happy tears.
मैं पीछे ही नहीं जी बेफालतू में। मैं पीछे ही नहीं।
फोटो के लिए फोटो नहीं। अरे ले रहे हो
इधर आ, तू तो रुक रही है, तू कौन है?
आ जाओ।
मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, ऐसे नहीं छोड़ते।
We see it now. You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will
nothing. Since I'm the baby sister, so all the best.
I wish them the happiest married life that they can get and wish them all the love and
So much love. I love you guys so much.
ਗਰਮ ਹਵਾ ਦੀ ਉੜੀ ਗੁਬਾਰੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਣੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਤੁਗਨੀ ਚਮਕ ਚਿੰਗਾਰੀ ਹੱਥ ਬਾਤ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਛਲਾਂਗ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਹੈ बैठे कभी ना बैक सीट बनो तेरा स्वैगर लागे सेक्सी बनो तेरा स्वैगर लागे सेक्सी